Hey everybody, we're going to make something very different today. Never had it. It's called peanut butter coconut flour cookies. I've never had coconut flour for cookies, so I'm anxious to try this. And I'm making it with natural peanut butter, and the sugar-free you can use at your own choice on what you want. And it's only 5 ingredients. It's peanut butter, sugar-free, 1 egg, coconut, and coconut oil. 5 right there. And everything will be down below in the description if you'd like to try these cookies. So I'm gonna whip them up together right now so I can post this hopefully tonight. Let's get started. And this also is a low carb, and it is, let me see, low carb, it's full of fiber. So that's a good thing. And yeah, low carbs, full, and it's keto, and it's sugar-free. How good's that? So let's get started. You're gonna need a cookie sheet, parchment paper, or spatula, a bowl, whisk, spoon, whatever, and that's it. So I'm gonna pan you down. Still haven't got my tripod yet, and my camera works when it wants, so hopefully it will keep on working. So I'm gonna bring you down. There you go, right there. What I'm going to do is move things over just a little, just like that. I want you to be able to see really well. Yeah, just like that. I want you to see really well. There. Let's get started here. I've got the oven preheating at 300. And the first thing you want to do is you want to add, let's see, peanut butter coconut flour cookies with 3 tablespoons. Okay, you want to whisk well together the coconut flour. Where is the coconut flour? Right here. Coconut flour. And next we want to add the melted coconut oil right here. Just like that. And you want to stir it till it's well combined. I'm going to start using this and see how this goes. And this only makes 6 cookies. So I don't know if it can be doubled, but I'm just following the directions at this time. Okay, and it's well combined. Then, let's see here. You want to whisk the egg and the sugar. We'll do a little scramble on the egg. Just give it a little bit of help here. Just like that. We'll put that in. And then we're going to put the sugar. I'm using stevia. And we're just going to incorporate that. See how this is going to go. Hard to believe that just this little mountain's going to make 6 cookies, but that's what it says it's going to make, so we shall see. And we're going to combine it really well here. My son is a Maine guide, and it's moose season, and his party got a moose today, a bull moose. So his hunt is over. So their hunting party is very happy. My son's gentleman that he guided. There, it's been very warm. The moose haven't been wanting to come out. Now I'm going to put the natural peanut butter in. This is what Ray uses because we find it's less for sugar. And I like to spray when I'm using peanut butter or anything that may stick a lot. Spray the inside just a little bit, just to help to get everything out and it doesn't stick. Just like this. Probably should have done that with a spatula too, but I didn't. Oh well, it is what it is. And I have a hard time to believe this is gonna make 6 cookies. Must make 6 small ones. But we shall see. Want to combine this really well? You want to have your stove on 300. I have these like big spoons, but I'm gonna tone down to some smaller spoons. Start with 6 and I can build from there. I'd use my small ice cream scoop, but since Ray took over the kitchen, I've said this many times, I don't have a clue. And I mean, I don't have a clue where anything is. See if I can find a small spoon here. Well, we'll use my GRammie small spoon and another little spoon. Move this over. Get my small cookie sheet, like half a cookie sheet here. There's 1. 2. I don't know if they're how much they're going to spread. I don't know anything about it. 3. 1. 2. Oh, had it pretty much pegged. Oh boy, if I was making regular peanut butter cookies, I'd be putting the old sugar right to the top. Gonna give a little dab to that one, and a little dab to this one, a little dab to this one. Try to even them out a little more. That's why cookie scoops are so important, because they always give you the same size every time without fail. There we go. And let me see here, what could use it? This could use a little, and this could use a little. Just like that. Now I don't see the fork. Ray's so good, he's taking care of everything. We'll use this fork here. This is a very old fork. There, let's see if we can make a little crisscross on these. They are small cookies, but that's okay. Moderation. And then if he likes them, it gives him a nice little treat. There, how cute is those? So we're going to put them in the oven for, I think it was 17 minutes or 15. Let me look real quick here. I usually put it in big letters, but of course this one time I didn't. 15 minutes in the oven at 300. So when they're done, I'll bring it back and plate it. Okay, the cookies are done. They did take 15 minutes, and here they are right here. Oh, they want to slide. Don't they look wonderful? I think they do. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Share my videos. I'd love it if you would share my videos. So let's try one of these cookies. And it did give 6 cookies. And this is the size. Cooked real well. Very good. Mr. R is really gonna like these. They taste a little dry, but They have really, really good flavor. They're really good. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye now.